In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Notion. Notion is a fantastic tool that many of us rely on for organizing our work, planning projects, and staying on top of our tasks. But sometimes, logging out is essential, especially if you're using a shared computer or simply want to ensure your account is secure. So, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Notion on your preferred device. Whether you're using the desktop app or accessing Notion through a web browser, the process is largely the same. Once you're logged in and looking at your Notion dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You should see a section with your workspace name and a few other options. Click on it, and a sidebar will slide into view, revealing more details about your account. Now, what you're looking for here is the section labeled Settings Members. This is where you'll find all the controls related to your account and workspace settings. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a new screen that houses various options. While it might seem a bit overwhelming at first because there are quite a few settings to sift through, don't worry. We're only interested in one specific function for this tutorial. On this screen, your goal is to locate and click on the My Account section. Once you're there, start scanning the options presented to you. It's a section where you can update your personal settings, but what we're specifically looking for is something towards the bottom of the page. Keep scrolling until you see the Logout button. It's usually easy to spot due to its placement and the distinct look it has compared to other buttons. As soon as you find it, go ahead and click Log Out. You might encounter a prompt asking you to confirm your decision to log out. This is just a security measure to ensure you don't accidentally exit your account. Confirm your choice, and in a few moments, you should find yourself logged out of Notion. Logging out is a small step, but it's vital, especially on shared devices or in environments where privacy and security are priorities. Try to make it a habit to log out when you're finished with your work for the day, as this adds an extra layer of protection for your data. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Notion. Following these steps ensures that your account remains secure, and helps maintain the integrity of your workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Happy organizing!